ndebe anyị bịakwanụ ka unu nụrụ na gọọmenti Anambra steeti enyegokwa iwu wee jekụkpọsịcha ụlọ ebe a na-agba iche na mmadụ be ewu ụlọ ebe a na-eme nlahụ a na-akpọ Airtight Girls House nke dị n'Ọgbụ na Ọka na ụlọ ahụ fụrụ kịta anụnwa na ụmụ nwaanyị na-ele ọchụfa abinia ndị na-agba achawa obinia na-ele ma ọgwụ ike n'ụlọ ahụ na-afụ kịta anụnwa na ọ bụrụ na iburu nwoke bịa ịkwụọ ụgwọ iburu nwaanyị jela jụlụ ọchụ afọ ka o ti tọọ ịlahụkwanụ ka o ti wee tọọ na ụlọ fụrụ kịta anụnwa a na-akụgbọ na ndị udo na-achị bụ ndị Agunaechemba na afa awakpolu ndị bi n'ụlọ anụnwa wee na-achọpụta na ife a na-eme n'ụlọ akarịrị akarị na-ele ọgwụ ike niile ahụ fụrụ n'ala ebe a bụ ife ebusitalụ n'ụlọ anụnwa ma egbe ọgwụ kakwọ nkụ ma nke a na-akpọ kana ma mkpụrụ mmiri ma nna anyị bi n'ime ọfịa ma nke a na-akpọ n'imi ma onweghị ụdịka ọgwụ adịghị ebe unu ya bịa ka unu were ntị unu wee nụrụ afafa ndị mmadụ nọzi wee na-ajụ kedu ife eji wee na-akụgbozi ụlọ na iwu gọọmenti na-eche na ndị tọrọ mmadụ akụgbọtụ ụlọ ndị ahụ wee na-akọwa na nke kịta na nke ọbụla imezikwalụ gọọmenti Anambra steeti jide na-aya akụkpọzikwa ebe ahụ ma nakọlụ propati hei unu ya bịa nnọọ ka unu nụrụ n'ọnụ unu onye unu fụlụ a na-ajụ ajụjụ bụ nye anwa ebe anụnwa mmadụ na-aba a na-arụrụ ya ọrụ mana onye nke a na-akọwa na ọgwụ niile anụnwa unu na-afụ ebe a na o nwere onye bụ ọga ọ na-elelu nya bụ afịa na nya bụ onye bụkwa na onye Nnewi ma birikwa n'Ọka unu ya bịa nnọọ ka unu nụrụ n'ọnụ fa na ntị ma ya aka ntị unu na nke anụnwa.
All right, brother. Good evening. Can you laugh? Chibike Paul.
Yes.
Okay, this item I have here, what are they and what actually happened?
Is what our goods discovered in my guest house.
In your guest house?
Yes, sir.
So what are they? Kefe bifa nine? The gaseba?
Yeah, Igbo na codeine.
Igbo na codeine?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So kebe guest house you one?
White Junction.
White Junction don't know keba?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Manimana, these things are illicit art and the government are highly against such a thing and they are highly prohibited.
Actually,
so that means you are selling it as an illegal drugs to people.
not illegal.
They are not illegal.
And I'm not selling it on purpose, sir.
You're not selling it on purpose. So what are you selling it for?
It's what I need to survive.
Okay. But these are just not, this one is not Igbo.
It's Kana.
Okay, Kana.
Yes.
What about this one?
Not the same.
This one here?
The same.
Okay, the same. What about this one here?
Laughing gas.
Okay, laughing gas.
Yes.
Okay. This is a laughing gas.
Yes.
Okay. What about this one?
Loud. Ghana loud.
Okay. What about this one, the bottle on here?
CSP.
What's the meaning of CSP?
Codeine.
Okay, codeine. Alright. So, okay, there's also tramadol here.
Yes.
Let's see.
Bring them out. Show him and tell him what that one. This one is one.
It's tramadol.
Okay, these are tramadol.
Yes.
How many milligram is this?
100.
100 milligram.
There are other drugs there.
Okay, what of this one that is colored? The colored one here. Oh. What about the colored one here?
Molly.
Molly.
What are the pills? The other ones.
Refno and Suino.
Refno and
Suino.
Suino. Okay.
Where are the cups? Where are those cups?
This cup of this Ghana loud.
So these cups, what are these cups actually used for? Okay, the cups is used for the Ghana Loud. Okay, to box them before selling them.
Where is the other packets? Where is the scale and the other packets? This scale.
Okay, to weigh the drugs, to know how many grams they are before selling it. Okay. So that this is a well-organized drug business. And probably you're not the only person doing these drugs. Where are the other accomplices? Because this is not a business for one person. There are probably other accomplices that you do the drugs with.
It's one person business.
It's only you that does the business, both the supply, both the selling, both the buying and everything.
It's my business, sir.
That's
your business or your
My
Ghana
other business.
That's what I'm asking you.
It's already in my court, sir.
No. Someone is the owner of the business. You are his manager.
Yes.
Who is the owner of the business?
Chidi Benson.
Chidi Benson.
Yes.
Where is he from?
Navy.
He's from Nnewi.
Yes.
But he's based in Awka here.
Yes.
So
and you said he has another shop where he sells these things, right?
Yes.
And the shop is where?
Okay.
Where in
Agunaechemba
Awka?
Street.
Agunaechemba Street.
Okay, he has a shop in Abakaliki Street. All right.
Now, one of the other ones, there's something else you have mentioned. Where is the
Oh,
okay?
you have an ammunition.
No, it's from my lodger.
So what can actually use for?
It's for lodger. Somebody get it and run away in my guest house.
Okay, we take this.
You are from where?
From Benue State, sir.
Where in Benue?
Apart, sir.
Macaulay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Where do you stay? Where do you live? What do you work? What's your work?
I work at Airtight as a supervisor.
Airtight.
What?
Airtight.
Airtight lodging.
Airtight guest house.
Okay, airtight guest house. Located where?
I don't know.
You don't know the location.
I don't know. No, I don't know. Yes, sir.
How long have you been there?
It's getting to 2 months. Sir.
2 months. And you don't know where the extra is.
This is what I know is White Junction, but the area
Ask him where the what is
Why don't you?
White Junction.
where this one is open on, right?
Yes.
Okay. Your job is the supervisor.
Yes, sir.
You are handling the rooms
Yes, sir.
and the lodgers.
Yes, sir.
Who are the lodgers in the hotel?
The ladies that are good lodge.
The girls.
The girls.
Okay. They are commercial workers.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise known as Sacho.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
So how do you recruit them? From where do you get them?
I don't recruit them. Sometimes when I stay, they normally come asking for rooms, that they need rooms to lodge. So from there, we interview them and we know where they came from.
Okay.
That's it, sir.
You know where they come from.
Yes, sir.
Alright. So you
Then
give
we
them.
tell them the rules and regulations of how we operate in our place.
Okay. Where do you record the? Where do you document their data? Document the information about those girls.
Like what I get, the
Where do you document?
business in the guest house.
It's in your guest house.
But I don't document names.
No, hold on. Where do you have their names, their address, where they come from, the details about them, so that assuming any of them commits anything in that your guest house are not away. Where do you have the information so you can trace them with you?
I'm trying to say that
You don't have.
I don't have because I don't need it like that.
Okay. Now they just walk in and tell you they want to stay there and do their actual work. You give them the room. Now, men, different men come to them, right?
Yes, sir.
The men sleep over.
No, just do their normal sleeping then go back.
Normal sleeping.
That's short time. I call it short time.
Some short time, some day break, you know.
You don't carry the break in our place. The people outside, they want day break. There are some facilities there. And sometimes their work in that place, they don't work in the compound. So when you work outside with some, you find that people last. So you just go to their work outside and come back the next day and sleep for their day break. They don't carry day break. The ones that do work there, normally it's a short time. Anybody that wants day break, will take them out maybe whenever the person has launched. And do whatever they want to do with them.
So where do you, those men that come to meet them there, where do you record them? Where do you have the record of men that come there?
So that's what is the name that have any business with the men that are.
Okay. Now, you were there when our men, those that Agunaechemba came for the place, right?
Yes, sir.
Good. Where did they meet you? They met you where?
Back in my room, sir.
Your room. Which one is your room? Room what?
I'm 32.
Room 32. Okay. This is here. All this is here. They were brought from that your guest house, right?
Yes, sir.
Where did they get it from?
Because I'm 25.
25 is your store.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good. Bring up that gun. Which room did they get it from?
So that thing I was outside, so I don't know when. Because all these things that happened, when the judge took, I was outside.
Then you were outside, then you knew they got all this one from the 25.
I heard that he got all this one from 25. So that we come and
What do you